Are you seeing this error on Roblox that says there was a problem sending data, please reconnect? Error code 262. Don't worry, in this video I will explain why this happens and show you the best fixes to fix it. Error 262 usually appears when Roblox can't send data from your device to the game servers. This can be caused by poor internet connection, a temporary server problem, or issue with the Roblox files. Let's go through the solutions step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. This error is often caused by unstable Wi-Fi. Try restarting your router or switch to mobile data to test if the problem is with your connection. Also, make sure no other apps are heavily using the internet while you play Roblox. Step 2. Clear Roblox cache files. On a Windows PC, press Windows plus R, type this command and open the folder, delete everything inside the cache and download folder. This removes corrupted files that can cause connection problems. After that, restart your Roblox and try again. Step 3. Update or reinstall Roblox. If your Roblox version is outdated, it may not connect properly to servers. Simply uninstall Roblox from your device and download the latest version from the official website or app store. A fresh install often fixes error 262. Step 4. Check your firewall or antivirus. Sometimes security software blocks Roblox from sending data. Go to your firewall settings and make sure Roblox is allowed through. If you use an antivirus, temporarily disable it and check if Roblox works. Then add Roblox to the allowed list. Step 5. Check Roblox server status. If none of the above fixes work, the issue might be with Roblox itself. Go to the official Roblox status page and see if servers are down. If Roblox is having issues, you will need to wait until they fix it. So to recap, fix Roblox error 262 by checking your internet, clearing cache, reinstalling Roblox, adjusting firewall settings, or waiting for Roblox to restore servers. One of these solutions should work for you. Thanks for watching. If this helped you fix Roblox error 262, make sure to hit like, subscribe and share this video with your friends who play Roblox.